Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's question is, what are their feelings for you? So you have four piles in front of you. You have to choose one. Let's do the reading for pile 1. The first card we have is the Death card. Their feelings have changed for you. The next card is Ten of Cups reversed. They want to be with you. They are thinking about you day and night. They understand your feelings as well. They value you a lot. They treasure you. This could be a female. They feel confident when they are around you. They want to spend money on you. They enjoy being around you. They want to change their habits for you. They like reciprocating their feelings to you. They are making plans to come forward towards you. They like commanding you. With the Knight of Cups reversed, they like the opportunity to talk to you. And the next card is the Devil reversed. With this card, they like being committed to you. They like being loyal to you. They want to come forward towards you. They want to share their feelings with you. So this was the reading for pile 1. If you like this reading, please put a like on the video and share it with your friends. And let's go towards pile 2. Pile 2, this is your reading. First card that we have is the Knight of Cups reversed. They want the opportunity to speak to you. They are looking forward to contacting you. With the Three of Swords reversed, they are afraid of rejection from you. King of Pentacles reversed. They want to come forward and speak to you. They are going to work hard in this relationship. They want a family with you. They feel very close to you. They want to be with you. They like bringing gifts for you. They are authoritative by nature. They are looking forward to sharing their private life with you. They want to rest and relax in this relationship. They are afraid of betraying you. They want to make amends in this relationship. They want to share their feelings with you. They want to start with a fresh beginning with you. They want to work hard for this connection. This is a soulmate or a twin flame relationship. They were planning to come towards you. They are afraid of betraying you. They think about you a lot. They care for you a lot. So this was the reading for pile 2. If you like this reading, please put a like on this video and share it with your friends. Now let's move on to pile 3. Pile 3, this is your reading. They want to come forward towards you. They want to take a leap of faith with you. They want to make progress in this connection. They want to learn something from you. They want to make amends in this relationship. They want to work hard for this relationship. They are watching over your social media accounts. They keep a track of what you are doing. They stalk you a lot. They must have followed you on Instagram or added you as a friend on Facebook. They are very rude by nature sometimes. They don't like talking to you. They don't treat you well. They want to change this relationship. They want to see you changed. They are afraid and intimidated by you. They are happy around you. They are very happy people in general. They are very spiritual person as well. They suffer from anxiety. They do not appreciate you. I think this person in general does not like you. They feel very disturbed around you. They don't want to come forward to speak to you. They don't want to chase you. So this was the reading for pile 3. Now let's move on to pile 4. Pile 4, this is your reading. First card that we have is the Five of Wands reversed. There is a competition to be with you. There are many people who like you. This person does not want to be with you. This person is only attracted to whatever you possess, all the materialistic things you have. This person does not care about you. This person is very materialistic by nature. This person wants to scare you away. This person wants to see you ashamed and embarrassed. This person wants to bring an offer to you. This person could be a kleptomaniac or someone who likes stealing things. This person wants to see you changed. This person feels burdened around you. This person has completely transformed themselves. This could be someone who just lost some weight or put on some weight. They like having arguments with you. They like chasing you. They feel difficulty in being around you. This person wants to come forward and speak to you. This person wants to understand you. This person has been thinking about talking to you. This person wants to come forward and speak to you. This person has already spoken the truth for some of you, and you might have reacted badly. This person wants to see peace in this relationship. They want to make peace in this relationship. This person wants to chase you. This person is someone very grounded. This person wants to be like your soulmate. They want to be very close with you. This person wants to have a romantic relationship with you. This could be for some of you that they want to have a romantic relationship with you. This person likes spending money on you. This person could be your twin flame. This person wants to chase you. So this is your twin flame. With these two cards, I see that this is a twin flame. Thank you for watching this video.